Have you ever thought about f***ing a child? Well, today we won't, but I will experience living as a child predator for one day. Let's begin! First I need to dress like this fella, the lion. And here I am, ready to groom children. Now let's follow the steps of the lion.
Ach, im nou der allbeschriebene Platz. Wir in der Straßenbahn Nummer 2.
I get into the Straßenbahn.
I sadly don't see any kids in the Straßenbahn. I ride in the Straßenbahn. I arrive at letzte Grund with the Straßenbahn. I must meet the underage Kinder at the Berliner Garage. Ach scheiße, I don't feel safe. I will wait 10 minutes at the tram station. I'm so bored, I will cross the road. I will go for a 5 minutes walk in the Straße.
Well, at this point I was really fed up with being a child predator. Not only it was 30 degrees, but I was wearing heavy clothes, so that was so fucking annoying. I couldn't stand the heat, so I just went back.
Ach, this is the place where I meet the Kinder. Quick, I pretend I'm phoning someone so I don't get spotted. Ach nein, I didn't see any Kinder. I will walk back to Albis-Riederplatz. I don't feel safe.
At this point, I gave up being a predator. That's so annoying. It was so hot. I can't imagine staying 50 minutes under this heat. Pedophiles are fucking pathetic. Imagine wasting 50 minutes to get arrested or get this phone call. Hi, it's Chloe's father, and actually I don't agree with what you're doing. This is really bad, you know. Well, I hope you learned from this video that being a...
If her rage is on the clock, she's ready for the call.
Get out of here. He was just a rhinestone cowboy, riding into town, talking about the many years he traveled all around. But he had the bluest eyes I think that I had ever seen, and I knew that I was falling as he said these words to me. You're the yellow rose of Texas, you're an angel